Welcome to today's book summary video on How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the most popular and influential self-help books of all time, which has sold millions of copies and inspired readers for nearly a century. How to Win Friends and Influence People provides practical advice for building positive relationships and achieving success in both personal and professional life. We'll be diving into the key points and insights from the book, including how to become a better listener, build rapport, and make others feel valued and appreciated. Whether you're looking to improve your social skills, advance in your career, or simply build stronger relationships with those around you, this book offers valuable insights and strategies that can help you achieve your goals. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the timeless wisdom of How to Win Friends and Influence People on Prime Mind. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. The book emphasizes that criticizing, condemning, or complaining can cause resentment and defensiveness in others, which can harm relationships. Instead, the author suggests that you should try to understand the other person's perspective and provide constructive feedback. Give honest and sincere appreciation. The book emphasizes the importance of showing genuine gratitude and praise for other people's efforts. This can help build positive relationships and motivate people to continue working hard. Become genuinely interested in other people. The author suggests that showing a sincere interest in other people's lives can help build meaningful relationships. This means asking questions, listening actively, and showing empathy. Smile. The book suggests that a simple smile can go a long way in making others feel comfortable and appreciated. It can also help you appear more approachable and friendly. Remember people's names. People like to be acknowledged by name, so the book suggests making an effort to remember and use people's names when you interact with them. This can help build rapport and show that you value them as an individual. Be a good listener. The author emphasizes the importance of listening more than you speak and showing empathy for others' concerns and struggles. This can help build trust and understanding in relationships. Encourage others to talk about themselves. People enjoy talking about themselves, so the book suggests encouraging others to share their thoughts and feelings. This can help build rapport and show that you are genuinely interested in them. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. When communicating with others, the author suggests focusing on their interests and concerns rather than your own. This can help build rapport and show that you value their perspective. Make the other person feel important. The book emphasizes the importance of showing genuine interest in others' opinions and needs, and letting them know that they are valued. This can help build positive relationships and increase motivation. Avoid arguments. The author suggests that instead of arguing, you should try to find common ground and work towards a resolution that benefits both parties. This can help build positive relationships and avoid unnecessary conflict. Overall, the key points in How to Win Friends and Influence People are focused on building positive relationships through empathy, kindness, and respect. By following these principles, the book suggests that you can improve your personal and professional life and achieve greater success. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Prime Mind for more content just like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated and keep improving.